Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Headland local and long-distance movers near me. Are you looking for a cheap Headland moving company you can trust? 3 Movers is the right option. We offer all the right options for any local or long-distance move. Our team has worked with students, veterans, business owners, renters, and homeowners for many years. We know how to get you moved quickly. We provide you with the best options for your long-distance move, including packing services. If you don't want to do the packing or unpacking, hire us. Moving supplies. When you need the best moving supplies and packing materials, we have them. An on-time move. You don't have to worry about cancellation or delay with us since we show up at the scheduled time. Upfront pricing. Get a free and transparent moving quote from us to ensure you can set your moving budget properly. Licensed and insured. We keep your things safe during the move with only the most professional movers. Getting the right movers in place for your long-distance move is important. Relocating is a big job and it requires a lot of time and energy. With our movers, you'll get a team that can help you save time and energy when it's time to relocate. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Headland moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.